What energy and frequency are you broadcasting today? Remember, your divine counterpart always is responding to the energy and the frequency you hold. Now, you can do all the plant medicines, you can do all the vision boards, you can do all the healing, all the retreats, all the psychics, you can try and heal, but unless you heal energetically, you will stay in that looping, desiring, wanting. You believe it is the physical form that you want and desire. But here is the thing. It is the frequency that comes back at you when you meet your divine counterpart. They are the exact same energy and frequency. They are the same soul signature. They are the same soul essence. And so when you meet, when you are in their vibration, when you look in their eyes, when you hear their voice, when you feel their touch, whether it is energetically or physical touch, you feel your own God essence coming back at you. It is that feels so addictive. It is that because you have met another incarnation of your own energy and frequency. But here is the thing. While ever you are in a lack vibration, the journey will always just stay out of reach. The journey is about changing your energy and frequency. It is about embodying love. It is about embodying surrender. It is about embodying those divine, sacred, feminine codes. This is not just a physical connection. This is not just a 3D connection. This is an energetic, full embodiment. And this journey is activated so you can come into that energy and frequency of divine. While ever you are chasing in the 3D physical, you will only ever receive lack. This is about completely rewiring your whole nervous system. So you shift into gratitude, so you shift into surrender. And the key to the journey is to not look for the love, but to look for the emotion and the frequency within the nervous system. Look at the mirror that they are showing you. So if you felt that wholeness and that frequency and that safety and that comfort within your divine counterpart, it is now for you to find that emotion, that frequency within yourself. Where are you lacking that comfort? Where are you lacking that safety? It is only when you start to energetically shift. One of the paradoxes that you will hear on this journey over and over again is when the divine feminine no longer needs divine masculine, that is when divine masculine comes back. Why? Because they feel the energetic frequency of wholeness, of completeness. And so they're magnetized in, because it is not what you're doing in the 3D that changes the vibration and the frequency. It is the internal nervous system work. It is the internal energetic shift that happens within you. And it is not just between you and your divine counterpart. It is everything in your world. This is an awakening journey. And the journey is about fully embodying those divine sacred codes. I hope this helps. If you need more help and support, on the 1st of November, we are starting our 30 days to inner union. So you can start to calm down that nervous system. So you can start to fully embody those divine feminine codes. It is not full of pink fluffy stuff. It is here to shift you. So you can go into December in a whole different frequency. We are working the whole 30 days of November. My website is there. Come along and join. It is there for 30 days so you start to energetically shift. My website is the 3Ws catsacredsoul.com. I send you much love and I look forward to walking the journey with you.